Morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this Crompton Torpedo with 2-year warranty 400 mm pedestal fan, which is of black color, and this is not the metallic but the plastic build pedestal fan. Okay, the main thing is this is high speed fan. The RPM is really good in this fan torpedo, and that too lightweight, and 0 1 2 3 0 is for off, 1 2 3 means like low, medium and high you can say. And this got rotation also, oscillation button at the back side. And yeah, and this is of plastic build, even the blades and everything, and the base also plastic build. And this is looking premium and lightweight. If you are looking for a fan which is of high speed, and if you want to switch between the rooms, means if you want to relocate this fan quite often, then this would be a somewhat good choice. But remember, as this is really high speed fan, you'll observe a bit of noise, not compared to the one in the metal fan. Compared to the metal fan, the noise will be less, but as this is high speed fan, you'll observe slightly noise. This I heard from a real user has expressed that feeling. But the advantage I felt is like those people who want high speeds, good airflow, that would be better. I felt the design is good, the quality is good, no rusting will be there as this is a plastic build. But durability you need to compromise, because compared to the plastic ones, the one with the metal iron will long laster, but the only problem with the iron ones is they get rust if they get moisture or any liquid contact. And the base is also plastic here, and this I felt like metal, but I'm not sure. And I checked the online details of this product also, yeah, and there it mentioned like it got plastic build material. Even the buttons are looking premium here. And around like 7 to 8 months back, in our channel we have uploaded Crompton Storm 2 pedestal fan, which is of this one solid material, iron or steel material. And the user who is using that fan made a comment that it is too heavy to carry between the rooms. That is the only disadvantage the real user felt. But when you go for fans like this would be somewhat flexible in that case to move between the rooms. And we'll check the online prices. And this is the power cable, the length and everything you can check. And this is the oscillation button at the top you can see, okay, the black one. And see here, I mentioned right just now, 7 months back I uploaded a video. This is the metal one, okay, from the Crompton brand only. Crompton Storm 2 metal body, 3 blade metallic fan. Yeah, the airflow is decently good. And this is the one Crompton Torpedo you have just seen in the offline store. Yeah, it got a 3.9 rating. That is only thing. The real users, anything which is a 4 rating is decently good. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, it got 3.9 rating. Yeah, if you want to check the other details, maybe I can tag this product for you to check the details. You can just check the details. Yeah, please do comment your opinions on using this pedestal fans, that too the plastic build fans. Please do comment. Yeah, just for informative I share this video.